from the bench, keeps calling me Sajana. He's trying on a gangana. Let's go. Yeah. Body shape 8, but she a 10 out of 10. She don't like bad boys, but I'm stuck in her head. Big RS6 when I dust from the feds. Don't follow me for Zeds, I move keys in bed. They close the doors on me, then I bought the whole place. On my days, I really licked off for my age. Hoes saying that I've changed, but I'm acting my wage. $250,000 a throwback, we ain't on the same page. Every girl loves a gunman till it's time to hold guns. My gang's on rides, back to back shotguns. Famous bitch gave me brain in my whip, I went dumb. I just left the plug, eyes White House like Trump. My new WAP, turn your big coat to a G-lay. I'm drop shipping packs, but it's nothing like eBay. I spent last week passing sticks like relay. Free my bro, his pad got spun like a DJ. My girl's from the bench, she keeps calling me Sajana. She's trying on a gangana, my trap phone budging her. These rappers chase clout, but I only chase bread. Man, I'm getting shot, I wear the one shoe. Her body shape 8, but she a 10 out of 10. She don't like bad boys, but I'm suckage.
We have arrived at our destination, ladies and gentlemen. We're good, we're boxed. Fueled by Fast X, the new Fast and Furious. Look at that queue, man, it's literally...
The sun's come out as well.
Just in time as well, guys. We've got a 140, is that, what does that say, 118D? Harissa. Parked up, there's so many cars here, I can't explain to you. I wish I had a drone to show you. It literally goes all the way to the end over there. Right to the back over there. There's still all that space over there and cars are still going to be coming. Ten thousand brake horsepower. Mad.
Yo. Yeah, we're here. Come on. Alright, listen, I'm gonna get that thing. That's a true bomber clutch. Well, wait, I think if you ran it with a hazard, yeah, you've got to make sure it's just round on the track.
Rathad, it's got your name on this car, mate.
tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Yeah, I wish I could tell you more.
Come on, BMW, don't let us down, yeah?
Oh, don't say that, man. I'm scared to put my foot on.
Yeah, that sums up you Audi fanboys, yeah? Left behind. 380 X Drive versus CLA 45. Come on, BMW. We're having it, we're having it. On green, go, go, go.
Alright, lads, you need to go when it goes green.
Come on. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that was smoke. Right, we've got Yanni in the Urus. Yanni Mais. He's got his helmet on and everything.
Let's go.
Smoked him. Right, guys, that's going to be one of the fastest M140Is in the country.
We'll be expecting a low 10 here. Absolutely flying. What's going on? Is that not correct?
X3M C63.
I can't tell.
Watch that X3M smoke him, yeah, watch. Smoked him! FAE M3, the new RS3.
Funny enough, I'm still gonna go. I don't even know this.
Come on! Talk about a mismatch. McLaren 720S versus I don't know what the hell that is. Imagine he beats him.
Alright, so if the Jeep wins this is mad. It is mad. McLaren's just got to keep driving. Jesse for parking. So it's bike on bike action here. I won't lie, I do not have a clue what they are. It's motorbikes to me. I think the one on the right is an R1. Alright? One on the left.
For all you super bike heads. this is where all the cars are lining up from for the drag race. Ready to go, man.
What are we saying?
Yes,
016's
the
number
016's number
Come
one,
on,
yeah.
each and every time.
Big Mike.
Big up yourself.
You got the main man there. Yanni at the top there. Backstage.
I didn't get anything analysed. Santa Pod, living life, winning. Why are you at work today? It's Tuesday.
This is work.
Is it you a full-time YouTuber? Yeah. Is he? Okay then, what's your channel called?
MOHXRIS.
Shout out MOHXRIS. And what content do you do?
A bit of everything. Cars, pranks, challenges, vlogs.
Okay, what are you best at?
Car videos.
Okay, turn the camera so we get both of us. Okay, best at car videos, yeah? And what does your most views?
Car videos.
Okay, so let's stick with car videos. Make a success of that, and then filter off to everything else. There's your bit, right?
Appreciate it.
Camera turned off.
Oh, it's a video!
Yo, listen, big up DMO, man. Listen, respect for this event. You absolutely smashed it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you coming as well, by the way. Thank you so much, man. Oh, shit!
Big up driver, dude.
Come on, lad.
Fucking say driver.
Are we having a good time? Alright, now we're talking. Look at the Santa Pod girls in the back. They're loving life back there. Usually on a Tuesday they've got nothing to do. It looks like no one's got a day job. Like, has no one got a job to turn up on a Tuesday? Well, you lot got too much money. Wow, on a Tuesday to just be here. Incredible, incredible, guys. The guys, so come over to the stage, head over here, and get ready for our first performer.
Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh.